Grant with the King Piers team. Back out here in Gladstone, we've got the second pour of concrete coming in. You can see we've got a pump truck out here pumping this concrete into these holes for us. Vibrating the concrete, that way it gets all the way back underneath the footing and fully encases the King Pier. Hole 1 is done, on to the second one. We will be doing the same thing all the way down to the 10th hole. Stay tuned to the website, see the progress of this project. To get everything backfilled, we'll be cleaning up the edges of these concrete walls here and framing everything in. KingPiers.com.